Welcome friends to another exciting jewelry jar reveal video. I got this one when we were on a little road trip to the Berkshires. We were stopping at thrift stores. This one was $24.99. Let's see what we got. I'm out here on my sun porch today. It's nice to switch up the location every now and then. The lighting's decent out here. Nice sunny, calm day today. A couple earrings stuck to the top. Let's see what we can find. I'm just gonna dump out a few things and then we'll show you what we got here. Don't want too many things getting buried. Oh, got a frog. Looks like a pin that it got bent a little bit. This is a nice bracelet. Oh, too bad one of the rhinestones came off. It might be in the jar somewhere. That's really pretty. So I don't see any signatures. Let's hope that this one's in the jar somewhere. Oh, wow. This is cool. I thought this was a button looking at the outside of the jar, but look, it's a ring made from a vintage military coat button. That is quite interesting. Interesting find there. What's this say? Shalom. Necklace. This looks like a piece of sea glass. Got a stretchy bracelet. Here is a bracelet made from those paper beads. That's kind of cool. It's broken, but it can be repaired right here. You just have to put those two ends together. I don't know if that's sterling. It's like kind of like a wire wrapped bracelet. Got some kind of bead here, acrylic bead. Here's an old hair clip. What is in here now? There's a little bag of something here. Joan Rivers, whatever it is. Looks like beads, maybe from a bracelet or something. Oh yeah. It's like little beads. They say Joan Rivers on it. Maybe somebody can restring it. We have some earrings. Oh, here's a cufflink, I think. I think it says swank on it. It says something on right there. Yeah, I think it's swank maybe. We'll have to look that up. Blessed Elizabeth Ann Seton. Religious charm. My dog is back here, so you're probably going to hear her making some sounds. I got an earring. I don't think it's signed anything. Just a hoop earring. We got a little pair of little rhinestone earrings. Don't know if those are marked anything. Okay, we looked at that one already. We got another little old screwback earring. A couple of those. Might be signed Japan or something like that. I gotta look a little closer. Nope, she's drinking her water. The thing about the jewelry jar reveal videos is I get one take to do the video. So that's the chance I take. Doing it up here, especially with the dog. Something about pronouns. We've got a stretchy bracelet. Got some handcrafted earrings. Possibly sterling ear wires. Maybe. Got a necklace with some glass beads. It's very nice. Got a mother of pearl necklace. I always check these types of clasps because sometimes they're marked gold, but I don't see any markings on that one. You know it's old if it has this kind of clasp. That's pretty. All mother of pearl hearts. There is, might be something for the hair. That looks like a hair clip. Maybe it's something you can put in your hair. Oh, we got some Mardi Gras beads. Got a watch. Timex. Okay. Those are good. Needs a new watch band. Here we have, oh, that's an earring. Oh, wow. That's cool. Different colors. It's a pierced earring. Some rhinestones. I hope we have the match in there. It's really neat. Okay, let's make a little more room here. Oh, what's this? This is cool. Got another earring. Coming on through with this. I'll just dump out a few things because sometimes I tend to bury stuff and we don't want to bury the good stuff. I'm not sure what that is. Maybe clay beads. It needs a new clasp, maybe. Or you can kind of fix the clasp that's there. That's neat. Valentine earrings. We got a star necklace. Purple beaded necklace. Oh, here's like a here's a nautical bracelet. Some nautical charms on there. It has a maker mark on there. It says AB. Nautical bracelet. It's one random earring. It's very pretty. Okay, let's make some space. I saw this through the jar. I didn't know what it was. Something interesting coming through here. Maybe a head, like a headpiece. Almost looks like an Indian headpiece, maybe. Some stuff's getting stuck to the tape. Okay, we have lots of shiny things. What is this? Wow, this is like a headdress. I'm not sure how it can be worn, how it's worn. So it appears to be like maybe like an Indian headdress. So there's the back of it. Oh, there's no like markings on it. Wow, that's really pretty. Look at the pretty strands of gold color, and there's some blue on it. Definitely gotta look that one up. That's neat. Very neat. Okay, we have a pin with a deer on it. Oh, here's the other earring. Nice. Oh, and this is signed Lauren Hope. So now we have the match. Very nice. So it's signed Lauren Hope. Anybody ever hear of that brand? I have not heard of that brand. Okay, got a clip-on earring. There's some tangled up things going on here. There's like a little owl. This necklace is interesting with the green on it. It has some kind of writing there, I think, right there. Maybe, unless it's just the design of it. Probably a handmade piece, has like a little dragonfly on it, some freshwater pearls and crystals, and a little owl, but it's tangled up with a couple other necklaces here. And I'll have to work that out a little bit, but that is cute. I really like that owl necklace. It's a very dainty chain here that I think might be sterling. It is signed sterling. Yes, there is a chain here signed sterling. It's very thin. Here it is, right here. That's a nice find. I'm gonna put that off to the side. So far, some decent things. That interesting headdress for sure. Got a sterling necklace. There's another deer pin. Oh, this is nice. Really pretty vintage necklace with some crystals. Has the hook clasp. No signatures there. But that is very lovely. Choker style. Be sure to check out my other jewelry jar reveal videos. I have lots of them now. You never know what we're gonna find here. This looks like, oh, you could put like a air tag in here. This looks like a belt. We have a belt here. Don't think it has any markings. Here's a vintage necklace. Signed something. I did see a signature on that. Japan. Looks like Japan. These are plastic beads. I have a few themed raid train shows coming up. One is a signature, also jewelry with signatures on it, so I'll be putting that there. Here's a nice necklace. I think they're plastic beads. And it's this another Timex watch. I tend to lot up the watches. Sell them as a big lot, so I have a lot I'm working on now. There's some little clip-on earrings. Let me know which piece you like the best. And there's some random beads at the bottom. Ooh, this is nice. We got some blue crystals. Okay, no signatures. This is a nice necklace. I just recently ordered some little rhinestones from another Whatnot seller. So I'll have various colors. So I'll have a lot of extra rhinestones to repair things. Oh, see, like right here, there's one missing here, but it could be at the bottom. This is like a little twisted. That's pretty. Very nice. Crystal necklace. I think that's just like a string. Yeah, it's a string that's wrapped up. It just has to be cut off there. That's pretty. Okay, we got like some kind of fitness watch here. Imagine if it turned on. Some New York & Company belt or necklace. Put that with the other long one. This is, not sure. Oh, it's broken, whatever it is. Maybe. I think it was a necklace of some sort. This is a bracelet that needs to be restrung. Maybe, yeah, it's very it's pretty, but it needs to be restrung. And this is a nice necklace that needs to be restrung. Very, very nice beads on there. Brown and purple. Yeah, that has to be restrung. I do have a show coming up. It's called the Wrecking Ball show. It's all repair pieces and like things like this, loose beads, things that need to be repaired. That is another raid train coming up. I'll be probably putting that in there. Maybe somebody can fix it. Here's a wooden necklace. All right, let me know if I got my $24.99 back in jewelry. Thanks for checking it out, and we'll see you next time.